Spring is almost here, and these simple steps will help you prepare your garden the right way for a season full of healthy growth and beautiful blooms. From improving your soil to choosing the right plants and setting up a smart watering routine, each step builds the foundation for a thriving spring garden. Whether you're a beginner starting fresh or an experienced gardener refreshing your beds, these preparation steps will save you time, prevent common problems, and boost your results all season long. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn your outdoor space into a healthy, organized, and productive spring garden. The first step is simply slowing down and observing your garden. Understanding sunlight exposure, soil condition, and how last year's plants performed gives you clarity before you plant anything new. Notice which areas receive full sun and which stay shaded. Check your soil's texture and drainage. Think about which plants thrived and which struggled. These small observations guide smarter decisions. Map out sunlight patterns throughout the day and make notes about soil condition. This quick evaluation helps you match the right plants to the right spaces, setting the stage for success. Next, give your garden a fresh start by clearing away fallen leaves, dead plants, and lingering weeds. A tidy space reduces pests and disease before the season begins. Use simple tools like a rake and gloves, and make sure weeds are pulled completely, roots and all. Healthy plant material can be composted to recycle nutrients back into your garden. By clearing debris early, you create breathing room for new plants and eliminate problems before they start. Healthy gardens begin with healthy soil. Testing your soil reveals its pH and nutrient levels so you can make informed improvements. Collect samples from several spots in your garden, about 6 inches deep, to get an accurate snapshot. Testing helps you understand what your soil may be missing. Once you know your soil's condition, you can add compost or other amendments to balance nutrients and improve plant performance. After testing, it's time to enrich your beds. Adding organic matter improves structure, drainage, and nutrient availability. Spread compost or well-rotted manure over your beds and mix it into the top layer of soil. This boosts fertility and prepares roots for strong development. Well-prepared soil supports healthier roots, stronger plants, and better blooms throughout the season. Plant selection plays a major role in your success. Choosing varieties suited to your climate, soil, and sunlight conditions makes gardening far easier. Look for native or well-adapted plants, consider companion planting, and pay attention to seasonal timing for best results. When you match plants to your garden's specific conditions, you reduce maintenance and increase the chances of a vibrant, productive space. A thoughtful layout keeps your garden organized and visually balanced. Planning ahead prevents overcrowding and wasted space. Arrange taller plants toward the back and shorter ones in front. Leave walking paths clear so you can access each area comfortably. A simple sketch helps you visualize spacing and structure before planting, saving time and effort later. As plants begin to grow, a consistent watering routine and proper mulching protect your hard work. Water early in the morning to reduce evaporation. Check soil moisture before watering, and apply a moderate layer of mulch to retain moisture and suppress weeds. These simple habits conserve water, regulate soil temperature, and keep your plants healthier with less effort. When you assess your space, clean thoroughly, improve your soil, choose the right plants, plan your layout, and manage water wisely, you create the perfect environment for spring success. Each step builds on the last, turning preparation into lasting growth. If you'd like the complete step-by-step guide and more detailed tips for each stage, you'll find everything linked below. Take your time, enjoy the process, and get ready to watch your garden come to life this spring.